Welcome, it's Curated, and in today's video, we're going to be using two equations to solve for two variables. So equation 1 says 2x minus 3y equals to 1. Equation 2 says 3x plus y equals to 7. All right, and I want to solve for x and y. All right, so how am I going to do this? Well, the first step I'm going to do is I'm going to call this one here equation 1 and this one here equation 2. All right, and we're going to use the method of elimination. And so to eliminate a variable, that's why we use elimination. So I'm going to times 3 or multiply, whatever you want to say, by equation 2. And so I'm going to get 9x, all right, plus then by 3y equals to 21, right? So I just times 3 by the entire equation. And the reason I did that, you see, now I can say, all right, equation 1 plus equation 2 times 3 will then cancel the y variable. Let me show you. So if I say equation 1 plus 3 times equation 2, okay, what do then I get? I get, it will be 11x, all right, then this will be plus, all right, 3y minus 3y, and then this would equal to 21 plus 1, 22, all right? So then I can say, all right, 11x is equal to 22, and therefore x is equal to 2. All right, so now I've got x is equal to 2. So what do I do with that? Well, I can just substitute it back into equation 1. So I'm going to say substitute, all right, x into I, all right? And then what I'll get is I'll say, okay, 2 times 2 minus 3y equals to 1. Remember, we're trying to solve for both variables, so now we still need to solve for y. So we can say that 4, all right, minus 3y is equal to 1. So here we go again. We can say that minus 3y, I'm just going to go to the side of here, minus 3y is equal to, if we minus 4 from both sides, so minus 4 from the left-hand side, minus 4 from the right-hand side, to keep the equality, all right? Just normal equation stuff, we can say that it is equal to minus 3 on then the right-hand side, all right? And therefore, y is equal to 1. So we get x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. And we can actually substitute it back into both equations. We can say 2 times 2 is 4. Minus 3 times 1, so 4 minus 3 is 1. All right, then 3 times 2 is 6. All right, then plus 1 is 7. So that works out completely, and that's how we solved it. And you see, in our previous video, we said that mathematicians used to use a representation. All right, so, you know, maybe as for homework, for further understanding, you might want to draw out how both of these would look in a Cartesian plane. And what you'll see is that if you drew out both equations, you would see that they intersect over here. And that point at which they intersect is 2 and 1, right? Where x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1, which is exactly the solution that we got. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget the next video that's coming out, so make sure to subscribe, which will be the simultaneous equations of 3 different equations with 3 variables. Thank you so much for watching. Hope it helped you. Stay happy, stay healthy.